In today's video, I will show you a very cool trick to make money with Instagram, and this is totally free no matter where you come from in the world, and you can even start making money from after watching today's video. You don't need any money. It is totally free to start to earn money with this method I'm going to show you, and it's easy, simple, and you don't even need to have any skills. Okay, use this method and earn money with Instagram. So stay tuned to learn more. Alright, before we move on in today's tutorial, if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell button, because I do create every day new strategies like this one you're about to watch on how to make money online. So you don't want to miss that. And if you click the notification bell button, I will send you an update each time when I create videos like this. All right, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, because this helps this video to get to more people that want to learn on the internet new ways to make money online. All right, so with that being said, let's jump now into my computer and we'll begin with the tutorial. So welcome back in today's tutorial. First of all, let me just break it down. This method I'm going to show you today, it's going to be break down into 4 steps. Okay, this 4 step means we're going to be combining 4 platforms together to make this money. All right, to make this work for us. Don't worry, once again, this is free worldwide. You can do this anywhere you are. Okay, and the first platform that we need for this strategy is Instagram. Okay, if you don't have an Instagram, make sure you open an Instagram and we want to open an Instagram on a giveaway niche, okay, or making money online. All right, that's the first platform we're going to need. Okay, we just open Instagram right now and leave it. So now we can go to the second platform that we're going to need, and this is going to be a cool one. Okay, the second platform we need is a CPA offer platform, or an affiliate offer platform, and its name is Offer Vault. Okay, as you can see, we need offervault.com for this method. Okay, offervault.com is a platform for CPA marketing, and they have offers, CPA offers and affiliate offers. So I already found one offer on this platform. Okay, and it's a CPA offer, $1,000 PayPal giveaway card. All right, so don't worry, we just open it. This is the offer here. All right, you need to go, if you don't have any account with OfferVault, you need to do that. To sign up, you just go on offervault.com and then you register with them, and then you are allowed to use this platform, to find offers on this platform. Okay, so the next combination, the third platform we're going to need is Canva.com. All right, if you haven't heard of Canva is a platform where we can make 3 different designs. You can go here to create designs to see different type of design you can create here. Okay, you can create a YouTube thumbnail, you can make a presentation, you can make create a Facebook post, okay, animation, social media, book cover, you can make a poster, you can make a logo, you can design a logo also with Canva, and you can design a Pinterest pin. All right, and Instagram post. This is what we're going to need. You can design a blog banner and infographic. There's so many things that you can create on Canva. So it's a very cool tool. I do use it and I recommend it for you guys. It's also free. Okay, let's move on. What we're going to do now is that we want to create an Instagram post for this giveaway that we want to do. We are ready now to design our Instagram post. All right, but as you see, there are different type of templates, already made templates there that we can reuse. Okay, customize for what we want to use it for. All right, okay, let me just look around and find some nice templates that I can use for this giveaway that I want to do. Just want to look for something very simple. Just a moment. All right, I think I'm going to use this here. All right, so I already find a template that we're going to use. So this is the template we're going to use, all right? But let's just leave it open now. So we're going to go to the fourth platform we're going to use, which is what all of you should have, okay? A Gmail account, all right? If you ever have a Gmail, you can open a Gmail account. And what we want to do is that after opening our Gmail account, we want to go to settings. We want to go to setting, and then we go down to auto reply. Okay, we want to set our auto reply, so we just set it and click out of office to say we want to set up our auto responder. So when somebody sends us an email, we can send email automatically. This is why, I mean, even without not touching your computer, you just need to set this up one time and it's going to work automatically. Okay, so it's going to work automatically. Even you need to set it once, and after that one, it's going to be sending it. I mean, when somebody sends you an email, it's going to reply them automatically. But stay tuned, I will show you how we're going to combine this with our giveaway method. So once again, we can set a subject like congratulation. Okay, we can send it, that to be our subject, congratulations. Okay, because we want to send it to people that want to take action for these giveaways. Okay, so this is where we want to put our affiliate link. So this is where we're going to compose call to action, okay, to sign up for the giveaway. Okay, so we want to write something like, yeah, the subject is congratulations. We can say, yeah, congratulations once again. You can click this link to get the 1,000 giveaway offer to your PayPal. All right, so I will leave the link in this place here. We're just going to write it here. Okay, not just only the link, so we can write some other words. We can write some other words with it, that's congratulations once again, you are eligible to win this contest. So enter this link to, you can click here, you just put the affiliate links, the CPA link here, that enter this link to win this giveaway. So, and after that one, what we want to do is that we want to go back to Canva and now design this. Okay, let's just design this. It's very easy to do. I mean, when you want to cut the background, you can just change the background to any color you want. You just need to go here and change different colors that you want. Okay, you can also change these words here to, like, I'm gonna do it now. Let me just change it for you guys. I'm gonna change it so you see that how it works. Okay, we can write. So we're going to write 1,000 PayPal giveaway, all right? And you can also add a sub-heading, okay? That's what we're going to do. And in this sub-heading, this is where we're going to put our email address. So when people send us email, our autoresponder is going to send them an email to go to the link where to get this 1,000 PayPal giveaway, all right? So we want to write something like this. To enter the giveaway, email us at, I go down and write your mail at gmail.com, and we're ready to post this. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. You can just make a little bit changes here, all right? And we can change the font every time that we want, anytime we want. If you like, you can change it to, there are different fonts here that we can change it to. Okay, and we can also make it bold, and even we can underline it. We can also change the color if you don't like this color. Okay, so this is all we can do with Canva. All right, so in some minute now, I already create this nice post, and what I can do is that I can go ahead and post it on our Instagram. All right, so when we post something like this on our Instagram, we want to then, after posting something like this on our Instagram, we want to insert our email address on our bio. All right, we want to insert our email address in our bio. So when people, this is where people can email us, and we can auto respond them the link to the giveaway. All right, so to get more people on this Instagram, all you need to do is just go to search, okay, and can search for niches like giveaway. So we can search for niches like for pages like giveaway pages. So we can search for pages like giveaway pages, okay? There is 1 year giveaway enterprise, iPhone giveaway. There are many type of giveaways here. Giveaways post, iPhone giveaway special. There are different type of giveaways here, all right? And what we want to do is that we go to money making or make money online niche. We can also go there and start searching for people, right? Like this one, an iPhone giveaway special. We can just go here, click on it, and you see this person have 1,300 followers, but these people are interested for maybe iPhone giveaway. You can still go and search for other ones, okay? You can still go here and search for more page, okay? Like this one, cool app giveaway. Let's just go on it. Let's just check this platform. You see this person have 187k followers, all right? So all we want to do is that we can just go here and so it means all these people on following this person, this page now, are interested on giveaway. So we can click on the followers and start following these people. So these people will be very curious on which page is it following them, all right, and they want to know the page more better. So when they see that, as me now, they are very interested in giveaway, and you already have a post about giveaway, so they'll be ready to follow you back, and also if not, take action for the giveaways. All right, so if you know that you are enjoying this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, because this helps this video to get more viral to other people that want to learn how to make money online. And this is all I need from you. I really appreciate it, guys. And yeah, after doing this is all we want to do, okay? So we can also engage with them and also like their posts and follow more posts like this, okay? If you think that this method I just showed you now, it's not yours, it's not for you, okay, make sure you check the link in the description. I'm going to show you how I make my own money, okay? If you want to know that, just go to the description and check the first link in the description and leave your email address. This is where I'm going to be sending you direct to your email strategies that I use to earn my own money on the internet. And it's a very cool strategy that you don't need to do so much work, alright? All you need to do at the first time is put the work together at the first time, and after that one, you leave the money, you see the money coming in. You don't need too much effort to do again, alright? And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell button, so anytime when I create videos like this, because I do create videos every day that show people like you on how to make money on the internet. All right, so make sure you click the subscribe button and also the notification bell button, so anytime when I create videos like this, you'll be the first one to get notified. All right, if you have any question, make sure you leave a comment below, all right, and I will answer your question as soon as I read your comment. All right, so don't forget also to give this video a thumbs up if you've gained value from it. So make sure you give it a thumbs up. I will also appreciate that. All right, and I'm doing a giveaway at the moment. You will see it on the screen now, what you need to do to join the contest, because it's still running. Okay, the contest is still going, so make sure you join in to get a free $10 PayPal from me direct to your PayPal account. All right, and I will leave on the screen for you now another method to make money on the internet. So make sure you watch that, okay, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.